Yo, what is going on, everybody? Welcome to the first part of the turbo installation. So this video is kind of a mixed mash of the beginning stuff that I did on the car. Um, Later on, you'll see that I kind of stopped recording and I kind of did some stuff on the side. I stopped recording. I don't have as much documented as I would like, but I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, so minor little setback. Two minor little setbacks. I don't even know if we can mount the intercooler. Well, we're gonna have to, obviously. Put it right here. I'll take off the dash bar, and even then, mounting position is just way off. I put it, about an inch away from the condenser. That's gonna be it. I'm probably gonna have to go back on the lights. I don't even know if I can. Right through right here, this little gap. And then go around the radiator. Through that mess. I know, my engine bay is disgusting. And then from there to the actual turbo, but I don't know how we're gonna do that. Probably stick an elbow or something. There's that. And then no mounting brackets, no screws, no bolts. Here's a turbo. Mount the downpipe right here. We don't have any bolts for the downpipe, so we found some that fit, but we have to go buy more because it's 5 and I only have. We really had to drop the downpipe and do it from here to put the turbo in.
Más o menos por aquí. There's a room valve for the downpipe.
Manda?
To shield these hoses right here.
Yeah, well, I was gonna heat wrap it or get a heat blanket. The headers?
The header and the downpipe.
Should be right here. Okay.
te va el turbo, eh? Push it up. Okay, go ahead.
Ooh. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna try and get both hands in there. Oh man. Okay. Little update, we have the oil feed. I think this is I can't really tell anymore. This is the oil feed. I'm gonna bore this out a little bit just because turbos like this need a lot of oil. But Eric's gonna be the one, he's gonna be the one doing the fittings. And turns out that my car, it has the lines for it, or it has the holes for it ready. We just have to take out the seals. I have fiberglass all over my body for some reason. I just need to get the fittings that go to the seals, and where is it? These, they're basically like this, but these threads are too small. It's too fine. If you look at it, it's basically, it's the same size, just the thread pitch on this is off compared to this one.
Pásame la otra. Put that one back, please.
Alright guys, so basically we didn't get a lot, not as much as I wanted to. Like, I didn't get a lot done today, and it's a bummer because I really wanted to get everything done today because I thought I had everything, you know, set up, and I spent a lot of time setting everything up and planning. But like I said, we do have the outlet for the oil sender and the drain, but like I said, we need the fitting, so that's gonna take time. We'll get that Sunday morning. It's currently Friday afternoon, and then right now we just got the intercooler mounted, and I don't know if you guys remember, but I had the bash bar taken off because I thought I was gonna have to mount it like from the bottom. I thought about it. I thought, I don't know why the hell I took the bash bar off. So 2 hours to put that thing back on. Finally got it on, and we drilled the holes, and then the screws we had were too long, so we put put these spacers and washers. And then quick thing to say, Cobalt drill bits, man, those things are no joke. Melted through this metal like it was freaking butter. And then the shavings were so hot, man. It was like freaking bees stinging you every time you got freaking little shavings on you. Anyways, right now I'm gonna try and get all the pipes through all this mess. I don't keep a clean engine bay, to say the least. I didn't feel like cleaning it because I knew what I was gonna be doing. So I took off the reservoir for the windshield wiper fluid, and it's somewhere. I don't know where. I think I threw it away. Anyways, I took it off, so I'm gonna try and route the pipe through here and try and pipe it over there. But the problem is this is like this is 3-inch tubing, and the problem with that being, this tubing is 2.5, so this is 1/2 inch smaller. So I don't know. And on top of that, the turbo, the one that's supposed to go to the intercooler piping, this is straight up just 2 inches. And I should have seen that sooner, but I didn't. So it's 2 inches. And then, like I said, the intercooler piping 2.5. So I have to find a something, one of these things to convert it. And on top of that, this fucking thing, blow-off valve, yeah, like I said, it doesn't fit either, but the hood won't close with this thing here. So my plan, I don't even know if I can do this, it's just to, you know, yeah, I don't even know if that's possible, but we'll find out. And it'll be blowing straight. I could route it the other way. I think I'd route it the other way, this way. I'll just be blowing straight into the atmosphere. But yeah, that's basically all we got done. And for right now, I will speed it up. I'm gonna try and get all the piping done, and once all that's done, I'll try and I'll get all the clamps on. And then once I'm done with that, I'm gonna call it a day, because I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little freaking frustrated because I really want to get everything done today, but I couldn't, which really bums me out. So I'm just gonna get all this stuff down, tape it up, just so whenever it rains or it gets windy, we're in the middle of the desert, it doesn't get dirty. So